Hi there, I'm Kevin O'Connor, and I'd like to wish you and yours a very happy holidays. It's one of my favorite parts of the year, when you get to gather around the fireplace with friends and family, exchange gifts, there's peace on earth, and my favorite part of the whole season, the leaky roof. Yep, I have them too. Have you ever wondered why on a pouring rainy day when the water is running down your roof, filling up your gutters, you may not have a leak? But then on a beautiful winter's day when the sun is out and there's a fresh blanket of snow all over the ground and your roof, that's when you might get a leak? Why is it? Well, it's because of a thing called ice dams, and that's the gift that keeps on giving. You see, this is a discontinuous roof made out of shingles, one laid on top of the other. And they work great when the water is running down the roof, but they don't work so great when the water starts running up the roof. For something like that, you'd be better off with what they call a continuous roof. This is what they call a continuous roof because it's got these big sheets of rubber, and even when there's a seam, well, those are glued down nice and tight, so if the water or the ice were ever to go up the roof, you don't get a leak. Now, ice dams are caused when the heat starts escaping from your house, melts the snow on your roof, that melted water runs down to the edge, which is really cold, and that's where it freezes, creating a little bit of a dam. More snow melts, more water runs down, hits the dam, and now the water starts going up the roof. That's not a good thing, because shingles aren't made for water going up the roof. So the solution to ice dams isn't necessarily changing out your entire roof, taking it from shingles to something like rubber. The better solution is to insulate well. Stop that heat from escaping out of your house and melting all of the snow. That'll stop your ice dams. It'll make you feel more comfortable and save you a little bit of money too. Oh, and by the way, if you've got problems with fat guys sneaking down your chimney, I got a solution for that too. Come on out and join me at the Marketplace Home Shows in Salt Lake City and Minneapolis, both going on in January. Hopefully I'll see you there, and happy holidays.